Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Plug the HomePod Mini into power and keep your iPhone nearby. Make sure the iPhone is signed into your Apple ID and has personal hotspot turned on in settings. This will act as a temporary Wi-Fi for the speaker. Once done, open the Home app and attempt to add the HomePod. During setup, choose the iPhone's personal hotspot network when prompted. This gives the HomePod a network even if your home router is offline. Once the HomePod connects to your iPhone's hotspot, finish the Home app prompts. Accept terms, transfer settings, and confirm location. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the iPhone and keep devices within 10 meters to preserve the peer-to-peer link that AirPlay relies on. To play audio, start music or a podcast on the phone and choose the HomePod via AirPlay from the control center or app. This setup lets you use the HomePod as a speaker. Finish by stabilizing the connection. Prevent the hotspot from timing out by keeping the iPhone screen awake or toggling settings so it stays active during streaming. Remember that Siri's advanced queries still need internet access. If Siri fails, either enable cellular data sharing on the hotspot or reconnect the HomePod to your normal Wi-Fi. If something goes wrong, reboot the HomePod and iPhone, recreate the hotspot, and run the Home app setup again. This sequence clears most pairing and network negotiation errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.